how to install MySQL on Docker for production development. But first, subscribe to my channel for more database tutorials. To install MySQL on Docker, ensure that you have Docker installed on your system. Comment below if you would like me to create a video demonstrating how to configure Docker. Open your command prompt on Windows or terminal on Mac and follow the instruction. Docker run indicates that we want to run a Docker container based on a specific image. I will specify that image later. -- name MySQL assigns a name to our container. In this case, the container will be named MySQL. -p 3306:3306. Using the -p parameter, we are mapping port 3306 on the host to port 3306 on the container. This is particularly helpful when we want to use MySQL installed on Docker with an IDE on our local machine. -e MySQL_root_password equal to MySQL. The -e flag is used to set an environment variable within the container. In this case, it sets the root password for MySQL database to MySQL. Make sure to write the variable name MySQL_root_password in all caps, as it is case sensitive. Also, its value is case sensitive. -d. This option, detach mode, run the containers in the background. MySQL. This is the name of the Docker image you want to run. In this case, it's the official MySQL image from Docker Hub. Press enter and wait for few seconds. And that's it. Your container is ready to be used. Subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow.